Neurodyne Drops have been showing up aggressively across social media, usually targeting people worried about memory loss, brain fog, and age-related cognitive decline. The ads frame Neurodyne as a simple, natural solution that can restore focus, sharpen memory, and protect the brain from serious conditions like dementia. At first glance, it sounds reassuring, but once you slow down and examine the claims, the story quickly falls apart. Before we go any further, quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. I'm not promoting or selling this product. I'm analyzing the marketing so viewers can make informed decisions. Neurodyne claims it's a scientifically backed formula made with just a few natural ingredients, supposedly supported by clinical research. They suggest it can dramatically improve memory, clear brain fog, and even reverse cognitive decline, all without side effects. That alone should raise concern. Memory disorders, Alzheimer's disease, and neurodegeneration are complex medical conditions. There is currently no over-the-counter liquid supplement that can reverse them. If such a breakthrough existed, it would be published in peer-reviewed medical journals, prescribed by neurologists, and regulated as a drug, not sold through social media ads. One of the biggest red flags is how Neurodyne handles authority. The website strongly implies FDA approval, but supplements cannot be FDA approved for effectiveness. At most, they can be manufactured in an FDA-registered facility, which says nothing about whether the product actually works. Presenting this distinction vaguely is a classic tactic to create false trust. They also reference large clinical trials with extremely high success rates, yet there are no study names, no institutions, no journals, and no researchers listed anywhere. Without verifiable data, those clinical results are meaningless. Another warning sign is the fear-based marketing. The ads repeatedly bring up Alzheimer's, dementia, and irreversible brain damage, then position Neurodyne as the hidden solution that mainstream medicine is ignoring. This big pharma doesn't want you to know narrative is a well-known manipulation strategy used to bypass scientific scrutiny. The scientific language itself is also questionable. Terms like neural sunscreen, neural shielding compounds, and purple pigment activation sound impressive, but they're not recognized neurological mechanisms. They're vague phrases designed to sound scientific without actually explaining anything measurable or provable. Transparency is another issue. There's no clear company identity behind Neurodyne. Manufacturing details are vague, leadership is unnamed, and distribution appears inconsistent. Some marketing activity traces back outside the U.S., despite claims of American manufacturing. That lack of clarity makes accountability difficult if something goes wrong. Then there are the reviews. The site displays glowing 5-star testimonials, but there's no way to verify who wrote them or whether they're real customers. No independent platforms, no critical reviews shown, and no balanced feedback. That's not how trustworthy products operate. Finally, there's the zero side effects promise. No supplement can honestly guarantee that. Even natural compounds can interact with medications or cause reactions, especially in older adults. Claiming absolute safety without proper disclosures is irresponsible. So what's the conclusion? Neurodyne Drops are not a proven cognitive treatment. They are not FDA approved. They are not supported by verifiable clinical trials. What they are is a supplement marketed through fear, exaggerated science, vague authority claims, and unverifiable testimonials. If you're concerned about memory, focus, or cognitive health, the safest step is speaking with a licensed healthcare professional, not relying on social media ads promising miracle brain protection in a bottle. If you've seen Neurodyne ads or tried similar products, share your experience in the comments. It could help someone else avoid being misled. This is TrustIQ, where claims meet reality. Subscribe for more scam analysis.